I recently moved, and so I had to come up with a new way of mounting my camera to my workbench, and this is the thing I thought of. It basically consists of copper pipe, standard 10mm copper pipe, and these joints that are held together by an M5 nut and 2 bolts that go in here like this. And there's 3 of those sections, with 2 being vertical and 1 being horizontal. That should give me quite a lot of freedom. It also has this shelf mounting bracket, which I'll just screw to a shelf with 4 standard wood screws. And copper pipe goes in here and is held in place by an M3 bolt. I initially designed those with holes for M3 bolts too, but you can just friction fit the copper tubing in there fairly nicely, and it doesn't move. So I'll assemble this real quick and then show the finished result here in a second. So this is the assembled arm with all the joints and mounting plate. I ended up putting up screws in here anyway, just to stop it from wobbling around. Last thing I need to do is just to print an attachment for my camera here, and then this is ready to go.